Hi, this is John on behalf of ExpertVillage. In this video clip, I'll be showing you how to set our circular saw to 90 degrees. First, we're going to loosen our bevel adjustment knob, and we're going to set the saw to where we think 90 degrees should be. Go ahead and tighten it. Next, we're going to turn our saw upside down. We're going to raise the lower guard, and we're going to place a square up to the blade to see if it's square. As I place this square next to the blade, it'll show me how far off my saw is. Now, since you can see a little bit of light through there, it tells me that it's a little bit off. So what I'm going to do is loosen my bevel adjustment knob and try to straighten the blade out a little bit. Now that I have adjusted my blade, I'm going to check it again, and it's still just a little bit off, probably about 1 to 2 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust it again, and I'm going to continue this till I have a perfect 90-degree angle blade.